Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the MBRP catback for the Gen 2 Ford Raptor. Let's get at it. Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got the Gen 2 Ford Raptor on the hoist. I've got an MBRP catback for this vehicle I want to show you. But first, before we check that out, let's look and see what the factory sent us. So this thing is huge, and man is it heavy. I really like the fact they give us aluminum body panels on the truck up here and stick a 150-pound exhaust system underneath. But that said, we got a big resonator up front. We've got the big factory muffler here in the middle, and then we've got pretty good sized tailpipes here, but unfortunately, each tailpipe has a crimp in it, so it does impede the exhaust flow as we get back here. I do like the fact that Ford gave us some really cool 4-inch black exhaust tips, so that helps the look and rounds out the full package. Speaking of really cool, let's get underneath here, see what MBRP has to offer. So quickly, as I always mention, MBRP is a fully compliant company. So, as you guessed it, Y-pipe stays, the cats stay, and MBRP is gonna pick it up from these joints right here. And then from there back, it's gonna be really, really simple, high flow 3-inch mandrel bent stainless steel. We're gonna put a high flow dual in, dual out MBRP muffler. We're gonna get into band clamps everywhere. Factory rubber hangers are used in all locations. And then of course, we're gonna get into mandrel bent 3-inch tailpipes, one on each side. Now we thought 4-inch was cool, but I gotta tell you, 5-inch exhaust tips are even cooler. So here we have an MBRP black angle cut rolled end to round out the look. So this one not only performs well and looks great, but it sounds so cool. Let's get it outside. We're gonna take this one for a rip. Let's get the Raptor out on the highway, see what it sounds like. For you guys that have seen some of these videos, you know we always pull out kind of mellow, just pull on the highway nice and easy. For you Ford Raptor guys, you know that these trucks love to get into top gear right off the bat. As a matter of fact, we just shifted right into 8th gear and we're only doing just over 60 miles an hour. So as the truck continues to get in, there we go, final drive. It's a deep low note. I'm gonna say it's mildly aggressive. In other words, I wouldn't say this is super mellow, although it's not over the top aggressive either. It's a super deep note that you're going to hear. You're gonna hear it at the back. It's got those big 5-inch tips. I think you can have your family and friends, acquaintances in here and have a conversation all day long. If you start putting your foot into it, you could find it getting aggressive. For the guys that want to rip in their Raptor, this is the way to go. It's the MBRP catback. It's the loudest, most aggressive system we offer. Kind of best of both worlds, I think. Now, something else I like to do, I like to throw it into a manual shift once in a while. And if you're playing around, you can start having some downshifts like this. I think it sounds pretty cool. Now, speaking about playing around, let's get our foot into this. I'll give you a quick rip with wide open throttle and see what this system sounds like. Shut it down there. You know what? Everybody knows I'm a V8 guy, and I know there's a lot of turmoil about putting a V6 man in a Ford Raptor, but I love this little EcoBoost. It works so good and sounds so good. So there you have it. 3-inch mandrel bent, 5-inch exhaust tips, easy to install, performance you're gonna feel and hear, and you're gonna look that up at 5263mbrp.com.